Sabtu, Jalan Tegal Binangun di Kelurahan Jakabaring Selatan, Kecamatan Rambutan, Banyuasin, mengalami kerusakan parah. Lubang-lubang besar di jalan tersebut tertutupi genangan air sehingga mengancam keselamatan pengendara kendaraan khususnya roda 2.
I already live here for 5 or 6 years. It must be feel far from the city. The first time I arrived at this Tegal, the first point was definitely about the road that was so good. Just sarcasm. The road was so destroyed. There were so many holes like road in the areas that were difficult to reach. The first time I come here also felt uncomfortable because of the holes. It was made worse because there was no drainage in this road. As a result, water only flowed into a number of rice fields that had not yet become building. There are also few street lights at night and they are often out of order and slow to repair.
And I already live here since I was born. And my POV of this road is always like this road is very bad. And many perspective from people around us when we tell them that we are from Tegal Binangun, there's some discrimination about the place that we live. Also, many people didn't know where is Tegal Binangun is.
The people of Tegal Binangun asked for badly damaged road to be repaired immediately. They are worried about the condition of the badly damaged road. This damage has been going on for almost 5 years, and it is getting worse during the time. Along the road, there are many holes. There are even several points of holes that are like mud puddles, and there are also some parts of the road that submerge in the water, so that many motorists are thrown into the trenches. This condition is very dangerous for motorcycle users. Many residents who ride motorcycles or cars usually use the alternative route available in front of a row of shop houses to avoid the large holes on Tegal Binangun roads. This dangerous road condition is expected to be repaired so that the road in the row of shop house is also not damaged.
The biggest reason why this road is always broke is because 54% areas in Palembang dominated by swamp. So this road need a very big drainage first, then repair the road. Another things, when we're talking about the street lights, there is so many impact that we felt. The lack of the street light in Tegal Binangun is very disturbing for the road user at night. For example, it can make an accident for driver because potholes and no street lights in Tegal Binangun. Also, it's make people that are riding a bike hard to dodge a hole in this road. The lack of street lights also has an impact on criminal acts such as robbery, or we used to call it begal.
There are so many impacts that affect the user of these roads. First, sometimes when Jakabaring traffic is so crowded, most people rather to choose passing this to avoid the traffic jam. And when people passing this route, many of people didn't know the condition of this road, so frequently occur stuck cars. The second one, the condition of this road is also affect the time of passing this road. The time that must be only 10 to 15 minutes, but because of the badly condition of this road, the time is passing to this road is around 20 to 30 minutes. Because many car or bike is getting slowed down, this passing this road to avoid the hole.
3. Many cars that get an impact of this road, such as car bumper damage because of the hole of this road, broke a shock breaker, or even make people crash and die in here. 4. The most feared impact is criminal activity such as robbery and other criminal activity due to the damaged roads and the absence of street lights at night. This is something that people on Tegal Binangun are very concerned about and avoid. And the number 5, and of course, there must be an accident that happened in this road according to people of around this. In just one day, there is 4 until 5 people that fell off in Jalan Tegal Binangun because of the hole in this road.
For the swim area like Tegal Binangun, the first thing that we have to do is making a big drainage. No matter how good to the reparation of the road, if there is no drainage on the road, the asphalt just gone broke by the water. Here's some solution based on our own argument. The first one, this road is a should using the rigid pavement because there are so many heavy equipment, truck, and other construction transport that passing here. By using the rigid pavement, it can minimize the impact to the road. The second one, by using geotextile material so that the load carried by the swam soil is smaller. The third one, the decline of the swam location can be prevented by using geotextile material because geotextile can theoretically distribute the load evenly the soil layer below.
4. In swampy areas, geotextile can reduce aggregate fill into soft soils because the soil will be retained by the geotextile, thereby minimizing the cost of fill and also reducing the scrambling of fill soils. 5. Geotextile can increase the aggregate resistance of the embankment to local collapse at the load location by strengthening embankment soil, reducing settlement and uneven foundation. And 6. By seeing the ease of geotextile installations, it is better for contractors from engineering department to start paying attention to this geotextile material to be tried and used in highway construction or even highway cityway construction.
With this, we know that road maintenance are crucial for the safety and comfort of road user. The impact of damaged road include the risk of accident, vehicle damage, and traffic disruption.
Therefore, significant investment in road repairs is necessary to ensure safe and efficient infrastructure for the community. Additionally, road users also need to play their part by reporting damaged road condition to the authorities for prompt repair. My name is Muhammad Fahmi Fajri and I'm Farizi Faiz Matra. Thank you for watching our videos. Bye bye.